My name is Renzo, and I'm just going to be summarizing this semester-long project I worked on, as well as including a quick demo for it. So let me read off this. This is a health-focused Java app called Potential Energy. Here on the left-hand side, maybe you can follow along. So this is a semester-long 400 level human-computer interaction class group project, developing a fitness app with profile creation, exercise tracking, goal visualization, and curated workout regimens. So during this semester, we started with first kind of laying out what we wanted the app to be. So we said, like, for this project, this is how we want it to be. We identified our target audience, our primary, secondary goals. And then we created user personas and task scenarios. So like persona 1, Fred is a 19-year-old college student. This and that. His primary goal is to undergo physical transformation. He wants to do this and that. So he desires a streamlined experience that provides him with a curated selection of workouts to choose from, and he wants those workouts to gradually increase in difficulty based on his progress. So those are some, like, that's a user persona. And then we created some task scenarios, like so this 35-year-old woman wants to get into working out, but feels that many fitness apps cater to the male audience, and these workouts do not align with her goals. She wants workouts that are less intense, that focus more on developing this and that. The scenario came from interviews conducting with. Anyways, so that was one, and then we implemented this medium fidelity prototype, which I'll show you. We also listed out system requirements, primary and secondary features. I'm not going to get into all this. We got some user feedback after we showed people, like, our prototypes. Developed some paper prototypes about how maybe we want things to look like. And we also planned and created these horizontal and vertical prototyping elements. Horizontal being like, we want a home screen that navigates to different tabs, options, this and that. And then vertically, like, how do we want each tab to go. So users will be able to choose specific dates they want to enter information for, and this such and such. Came up with a redesign rationale and some new screenshots, and we also came up with a transcript for a video demo we made. Sorry, hopefully I didn't lose you there, but I'll just get right into the demo now. So this is, on the left hand side is what we submitted, and on the right hand side is just a new version that I started working on after the semester ended. Let me show you what I worked on. So my buddy worked on Pravin. He worked on the profile tab. Gives you an opportunity to enter your gender, weight, experience, and then your goals. So let's just put in male, 150, beginner. He wants to gain muscle and gain weight. Now, the way we decided to go about, or the way I came up with curating workouts simply, was to sort of create this sort of hash map where, like, let's say here you can see the conditions, where if you're a female and you're a beginner and you want to gain muscle and gain weight, you'll be set into mode 5, where when we populate the exercises, let's say barbell bicep curl, for someone in mode 5, a female beginner who wants to gain muscle and gain weight, you'll be asked to do 3, is it 3? So exercise sets, yeah, this indicates how many sets of versus reps, right? Like reps, if for mode 5 you want to do 10 to 12 reps and you want to do 3 sets. So that's just kind of the way I came up with how we could populate the number of sets and reps someone does for a certain workout, as well as the weight exercise. So it boils down into like 3 hash maps with sort of this modes, like, index system. Hopefully I haven't lost you there, but let's just go right into the exercises tab, show you how that works out. So you can choose from daily or all exercises, and in your daily exercises you have the workout types of full body, push day, pull day, leg day, and you can see here where that exercise gets its exercise reps, exercise sets, and exercise weight based on your profile. And then let's say you do this exercise, so you want to record it. click set to record. Down here where you record your exercises done, it'll be automatically set. And then you can go ahead and punch in your reps, sets, and weight. But let's say you didn't like barbell squats recommended today, you can swap it and now you get lunges, and you can set it to record. Let's say you don't know how to do lunges, you can click information, tell you a little bit about how to do lunges. Note there's room for improvement here by adding a diagram or maybe an instructional video or something. You can also write your notes like I lunge 20 pounds. And then when you come back, it'll be saved. So I worked on this. I worked on like dynamically creating this list of exercise elements that have their reps, sets, and weights updated, and comes with the functionality of recording it, replacing it, having information saved. And then for like, let's say push day, or like pull day, or like leg day, I think it's bugging out. But the way it works is if I dive into the code, maybe I can find it without like. Sorry, it's a lot of hard coding. Yes, basically we can see like if it's push day, what we'll do is we'll get one upper body workout, we'll get another upper body workout. Sorry, that comment's wrong. Should be a lower workout, and then I guess it is upper body. We'll get one upper chest workout, one lower chest workout, a tricep workout, a shoulder workout, and we'll pop them into this. What is that for? Push day. Let's see it happen. So we'll get. I'm wondering why lunges is here. It's kind of buggy, but Anyway, this is the way it's supposed to work. This looks like a leg day. I don't know why it's bugging me. But that, I mean, maybe you get the idea of how these curated workouts are created. I made like a database of all the different popular workouts, created a sort of system for you to get your reps, sets, and weight. And then for the different type of day, it just randomly pulls from different groups. Now, tangent, something I didn't implement, a lot of room to implement, or be creative here, is how these workouts are created, right? We could get like professionals in here, and then say like, how do we actually want to curate these workouts? How many, how much, and then also tie in the feedback loop of like when someone enters the exercises they've done, over time, how does that affect what they're recommended to do next? Right? There's like so much room to do stuff here. But then, okay, since that's really the only thing I worked on, which I thought was pretty cool, I'll show you the updates I made. So I replaced the replace button with a more natural feeling add and remove button. Let me demo that now. So let's say I just found a new shoulder exercise I liked. I can add it to, actually, yeah, let's just show you side by side. This was the old all exercises tab for shoulders, show you all the different shoulder exercises we have. In the new all exercises tab, when we go to shoulders, it looks like this. Come with the how to and notes, where we split up information. Information kind of had a how to and a notes, but we felt that let's split that up into how to and notes. And how to now has room for a diagram, as is pictured here. Let me show you. In the PDF we made of, so how to, maybe for bench press, we'll come up with a little bit text and then a diagram, just improving the app after some feedback. And then notes will be separate from that. Record will still do what it does. Right, add. I wanted to show you. Let's say we came up with a new shoulder exercise. Now we get this new shoulder exercise window. Call it super lifts, and we can give it weight and stuff. Save it, and bam, you'll see super lifts now added. Let's say we want to remove it. We can remove it. Go back. It's gone. Maybe I haven't given edit functionality, but edit, it would just let me change reps, sets, and weight, which I haven't populated in this version of the app. if I'm, let's say, wanting to add something to my leg day, the way add works out is it doesn't open that window that I can show you here. It doesn't open like the new exercise window. What it does is it would basically, as soon as I click add, it would change the screen to the all exercises tab, from which I could just go to any of these muscle groups, and then these three buttons would just simply be, actually maybe just the record button. The record button would be replaced with an add, which when I click would add that exercise to my current leg day workout. So that's how it basically add from this Wikipedia of muscle groups. And remove works pretty straightforward. You just remove, edit, edits the reps, sets, and weights. Another thing I also add is the save workout button. Let's say I really like my full body workout today, and I added, removed, and edited stuff, and I like it, and I want to do it next week. I can click save workout, and what save workout should do is I can show you in the PDF. Maybe I have it down. Yeah, so the save workout button, when you click on it, should pop up a window. It will say save as custom one. You click save. It'll say workout custom one saved, which will now be in your list of daily exercises, and it'll just be there. So I'm showing you both what I want the app to do and how that PDF of future updates works out. So that's where I've left the app. The video's done. Pretty much what there's to do is just give these buttons a little bit of the functionality, tie up loose ends, and then I never really got I never got an opportunity to work with the entry or progress tabs. That's stuff my teammates worked on, but things I could just, and now that the semester's over and I've decided I could work on this project on my own time, I can take control of those um, um, functionalities. I can maybe even bring in some friends to work on this more of like a group project. Or, anyways, that's the demo. Hope you enjoyed. And yeah, thanks for watching.